Hi guys, it's Jake again from Ron Skinner's. Today I'm going to show you how to correctly check and top up your oil on your vehicle. So we have put together some simple steps to check and top up your engine oil. Items needed: 1 litre bottle of engine oil. Check your vehicle handbook for the correct oil type. 1 clean cloth or roll. Step 1, park your car and turn off the engine and make sure your car is on a level ground. Your engine should be cool. If you have just driven your car, wait 5 to 10 minutes before checking your oil level. Or check it first thing before the use of the car. Never try to check anything under the bonnet with the engine running. Step 2, locate your dipstick and wipe it clean. Open the car's bonnet. Look for the bright coloured plastic handle of your dipstick. If you are not sure where it is, reference to the owner's handbook. Once you have found the dipstick, remove it, wipe it clean with a bit of kitchen towel. You will see 2 marks notches into the clean dipstick for maximum and minimum oil levels. Step 3, dip your dipstick and check the level. Replace the clean dipstick and push it all the way back into its tube. Pull it back out, check where the oil line is in relation to the notches on the end. If the top of the oil streak is between minimum and maximum marks, the level is fine. If the level is below halfway between the marks, then you would recommend adding some oil. If it's close or even below the minimum mark, then you definitely need to add some oil. Step 4, top up your engine oil. If your oil needs topping up, find the oil filler cap in your engine bay. They should have the word oil on it or an outline of an oil can. Take off the oil filler cap and carefully pour your oil in using a funnel. The difference between the minimum and maximum notches on a dipstick is about a litre of oil. So if the level was on below minimum, when you check it, you need to pour in about 1 litre. If you don't know how much you will need, add a little at a time. Wait a couple of minutes to let the oil run down into the bottom of the engine and then recheck the level on the dipstick. Putting too much oil into your car is just as bad as having too little, so make sure you don't overdo it. So repeat these simple steps next time you need to top up your engine oil. Comment down below on what video you'd like to see next. Leave a like if this tutorial have helped you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more.